Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add an app back to your home screen on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your app library. On the app library, locate the application you want to add back to your home screen. Then press and hold the application. If you have an option to move the application to home screen, now press, hold and drag the application to your home screen like this. So just drag it to your home screen, to whatever you want to put the application, like this, and then click outside or click on done at top right. Again, if you don't want to drag and drop the application, click on app library. Now locate the application you want to move to your home screen, press and hold it, and then repeat the same thing to drag it, like that. Now go ahead and drag it to your home screen, then click on done, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to add an app back to your home screen on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.